Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is Niǎn. I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. Niǎn, niǎn. Remember, open your mouth. Niǎn. Very good. Let's write it together. 撇，横，竖，一个长一点的横，竖，年。Okay, let's talking about how to use it. 年 means year. We have two ways to use it. First one, 3 years. We say 3年. Number plus year, 年. 3年. Very good. And like second way, like this year is 2021. We will say 2021年. Directly read the number one by one. 2021年. Very good. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.